Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your guy, the crypto boy. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you'll be able to earn TRX. Guys, we're here again with another video. Okay, so guys, the name of this site you're going to be using is called the TRX, the Sonic TRX boot. Okay, so without no further ado, let me not waste much of your time. Let's go ahead straight to the video. Okay, so guys, before I head to the video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, and also give this video a thumbs up. So let's go. So guys, I'll be dropping the link in the description below. So guys, once you tap on that link, it will bring you right here on this Telegram channel. Okay, so let's get started. So click on the start, and here it says you must join all our channels to get the payments. Okay, and here it says join at Stanza Plus. Okay, you tap on the join, guys. Okay, you join. Okay, you go back, you tap on the stanza group, you tap on it and you join. Okay, so guys, once you join, you go back again, you say YouTube channel. Yeah, I think you're gonna have to be subscribing to this YouTube channel. Okay, you go ahead and you tap on it, and yeah, wait for it to finish. Click on it, you tap on the subscribe. Okay, you are done. No need for this video. You go back, and it says after join all these channels, click the join button. Okay, and then you click on join, and here it says please send the text as seen in the image below. Okay, to show that you are not a robot. Okay, and say it's I think it's X, then capital C, then small x, then MG. Okay, I hope it's correct. Let's wait for it. Oh no, it's actually wrong. Okay, it's ZXK. I think let's refresh this one. I don't want to go any wrong again. CX17V. Let's send it. Okay, we are in, guys, and here it says main menu. Okay, so guys, you're in here, it says main menu. Okay, and now guys, once you're here, all you just want to do, if you want to check your balance, click on the balance. You say you have 0.002x available. Actually, okay, say minimum amount for withdraw is 0.05000 TRX. Okay, and if you want to withdraw, you tap on your withdraw. To withdraw, you need at least 0.00 0.000 and invite your friends to get more. Okay, you can actually keep referring to earn more, guys. And if you want to earn more, you tap on this earn more. You fair can be changed, and if you want to do, guys, you can actually earn more by doing this. By tapping your bonus, you can get free TRX upon login daily in our booth. You can get a daily bonus of 0.0 TRX every 24 hours. Okay, guys, and let me tap on the get bonus. You can see congratulations, you have earned bonus of 0.05000 TRX. Okay, so guys, if you want to earn more, you can actually keep inviting your friends. Okay, so let me tap on this withdraw and see again. Okay, it says to withdraw, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell. You can see, tap on the link. Okay, you just have to keep doing the task, guys. It's nothing that much. Okay, so this is it. You turn on the bell notification, and then you go back. Sorry about that. You go back, and it says you must turn on your bell notification bell. Okay, after that, come back and click done. So guys, once you're done subscribe and turn on your bell notification, you click on done. Once you're done with this, guys, let it load. It's loading. Once you tap on done, let's see what's going to say next. Say error. To withdraw, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your bell notification. Click on this channel. It say you must subscribe. We have already done that. Okay, you click on done. It say please send in the email address associated with your Faucet Pay account. Okay, so guys, you actually use your Faucet Pay to withdraw these tokens, okay, to withdraw the TRX, okay. So you just send in your faucet pay, okay, your faucet pay email, the email you use for your faucet pay, okay. So let me go ahead and get my faucet pay from my faucet pay email and paste it here, okay. So guys, I'm going to input the email associated with my linked to my faucet pay, okay. So guys, that's it, and you click on send, okay. You can see successful email confirmed, okay. That's it guys. You tap on return. You can see guys, that's how it is. If you click on balance, you see you say your balance is 0.00 TRX, okay, 0.0500 TRX, okay. Let's try and withdraw again. Withdraw, please send in the email associated with your faucet pay account, okay. Guys, this is the email. You tap on send, and it says send now the amount of TRX you want to withdraw, okay. I'm going to withdraw everything, okay, 0.05. So guys, before I actually withdraw this TRX, let me show you how much I have on my TRX, okay, on my faucet pay, okay. So guys, this is it. This is my faucet pay account, okay. You can see I have 0.079333615 on my TRON, on my faucet pay, okay. It's 0.01 USDT, okay. So now let's go back and make the withdrawal and see if it will actually go through, okay. And the zero is how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay. Then 5, then 0 0 up to 6. Let's go ahead and do it. 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay. And click on send. It says no fee, okay. So that is it. Say withdraw successful, okay. So guys, let's go ahead and check if the withdraw actually came through, guys. So you refresh the page, wait for it. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. You can see guys, boom, here it says 0.129333615. That's equivalent to 0.1 what TRX, guys. So guys, that's how it is. You just have to keep inviting your friends, and this way you earn more TRX, okay. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, and give this video a thumbs up. You'll be first to be notified when I drop a video. Thank you, and see you again.